All right, good morning. The SPOO's here about 45 minutes into the open are trading 1071.50. You can see the opening range here 1072.75 down to 1066, which is inside last night's range of 65.75 up to 75.75. So 10-point range overnight. Big picture here we want to go through real quick. Again, we were bullish last week on the shorter term charts up to the 10-day. We have reversed that completely this week. Matter of fact, even on the 1-day this morning, if you look at the 1-day, the golden cross is about 1071.75. We're sitting below that now, about as you can see, 1070. So battling here, can't get over that opening high range, and the pivot is up here 1076. So if we can't get higher, this market is definitely battling. The big battle lines right now are 1070, and I'm going to get through why that is. The 2-day chart, the key number is 1080. We're obviously well below that, so the bears own everything below 1080. The bears above 1080 on the 2-day chart. Define your time frame on what time frame you're trading. I want to go through this real quick. The 5-day chart, real quick update. The 5-day key range here is 1104.58, so we are well below that on and sitting very bearish. And then if you look at the overall 10-day range, again, same number. The highs to the lows in the 10-day ranges are the same as the 5-day. So again, 1130 down to 1065, and that gets you again right back to that 1104.50. Now, if you stretch it back a little bit further to the 20-day, just to give you again some context, we are bullish as long as we stay above 1072.40, and we are below that right now at 1070.50. It's all on the close that matters here. So if we can't hold this 1072.50 area into the close, and you can see we're battling pretty heavily here this morning, at least in the first 45 minutes. Then it's going to be the bear is completely back in charge on a 20-day, which is a 1-month chart. And again, if you go back even further, 30-day chart, still bullish as long as we hold that 1072.50 area. So we are going to be watching really this 1069 area. If you take it all the way back to the most recent low of 1032.60, the 1069.60 is your area. We're sitting right at 1070. That is the big day, the big month and a half, 30-day picture. 60-day, we're still bearish, so that flips back to bearish. We couldn't close over, the week close over that 11. We were talking about that, again, that 1140 area. We never even got to that. So we are still in a long term. If you look back 3 months on the charts here, the ES is still bearish on a 1-day, 2-day, 5-day, 10-day, 20-day, all bearish. 30-day still right at the it could go either way, flip a coin area. We'll see how that works out, but it's going to be an interesting market over the next few weeks as we come into a holiday week next week. Remember, 4th of July is the following weekend. So have a safe weekend out there, safe travels, and we'll talk to you next week.